Again, so in this video I'm going to share about the jobs information that is related to freshers and experienced. But the speciality of this video is a company is hiring for 50 freshers into embedded systems. So let's jump into the video and the jobs. Just go to the URL and visit our website Google 360. Just open that. Once you have opened, just open this embedded systems engineer. So this company Moschip, the company name is a Moschip, and this company is hiring for embedded systems engineer. The location is in Hyderabad. So they are mainly hiring for 5 roles, which is digital verification engineer 2+ years, ASIC RTL engineer 2+ years, PD physical. There is something I don't know exactly. PD means physical design engineers, and analog layout engineers 3+, and analog design 3+, and the location is both in Hyderabad and Bangalore. Looks like I forget to mention Bangalore here, but it's okay. And if you want to apply for this role, feel free to share your updated resume with shruti.kondaviti@mostrip.com. So let me recommend my standard salary recommendation for these roles. And usually this company can't pay you much, but it's okay if you need some sort of good experience and core knowledge in embedded systems. So for design verification engineer, with 2+ years of experience, my standard salary recommendation is 8 LPA, and the same thing applies for ASIC RTL as well. And next, physical design engineer and analog layout and analog design engineers. For these three roles, my standard salary recommendation for these 3 roles is considering 3+ years into the as an experience, my standard salary recommendation would be 12 LPA plus for these 3 roles, guys. So these are my standard salary recommendations. Let's see what are the other jobs available in this company. Just opening this link. So there are another couple of jobs as well, and I think these are some jobs we already discussed, like 4 jobs. This. But again, the latest job is senior DFT manager department. Is Moschip. I don't know why. Okay. Considering this role is for manager, you at least need like 10 years of experience. Then my standard salary recommendation for this job would be more than 30 LPA, folks. Actually, managers will be getting paid more than this, but since the company is small, this is my standard salary recommendation for this role. And for physical design, analog layout, RTL design, design verification engineer, I already mentioned my standard salary recommendations earlier only. So let's see what is down. Nothing except a logo. And then something is interesting here. Just open the website and just click on here. If you are able to notice, there are 50 positions available for freshers. So maximum, every engineer, every fresher will be getting jobs if you can really try well here. Then let's see what exactly these people need for freshers. I don't think they have mentioned, but somehow I'll try to manage and tell you what can be done. So basically, for freshers in any company, they need 1 programming language, 1 database language, and 1 operating system, which is Linux or Windows, whatever. But for embedded systems company, the good thing here is you need to know C++. 1 programming language is enough, and knowledge on Linux would be very good plus. That's it, guys. So if you want to apply for these roles and for the freshers, you can share your resume with careers@mostrip.com or else you can also drop your resume in this box. So I'll share you the job URL in the description, guys, don't worry. So I hope you like this video, and if you found the information useful, please do share with your friends and job seekers. Subscribe to channel for my future videos. I would be posting a lot of jobs. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.